Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my guide. In most of Android phones, user facing trouble about fingerprint lock. So if you are facing the same issue, you are on the right way, and now you will get rid of this issue. But this video is not for those whose fingerprint lock not working. It's about to efficiency to unlock your phone through fingerprint. Efficiency issue mostly occurred in under display Android phones. Here I have a solution or trick to increase accuracy of your Android fingerprint lock. First, go to fingerprint lock option. Here I am using Galaxy A32. So I'm going to setting, then lock screen, then fingerprints. In every Android phone which have fingerprint lock, having option to add more than one fingerprint, and most of users not entertain this because half of them may not knowing about it and rest of them are not interesting. So if you want to increase accuracy of your fingerprint lock, must add same fingerprint twice but in different positions. Here you can see I'm adding 3 fingerprint of same finger, and after doing this my lock accuracy is much increased. So what is the logic behind? Whenever you add fingerprint, your Android asks to tap your finger again and again in different positions until it gets 100% print of your finger. But if you tap on same position, it's not get finger 100% print. It's must required to tap your finger on different positions. And that's why when you tap your finger in the position you were not tap at the time of adding fingerprint, your phone shows mismatch error. So when you add your fingerprint twice or more than twice in different positions, your Android fingerprint lock accuracy will increase. So those users facing fingerprint issue must use this trick and share your experience in comments. I hope you like this video. Must subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.